On May 11th, YK, aka CS Dojo, tweeted, yeah, this is Twitter, tweeted, if I made a Twitter bot that tweets a reminder to stand up and stretch every hour, would you follow it? Yes, I would follow it, and what's more than that, well, let me continue what he wrote. He continues, it'll remind you to drink water too. Okay, I started writing some copy for this. Let me know if you have any other ideas. Hey human, remember to drink water. Hey human, remember to stand up and stretch. Hey human, remember to exercise from time to time. Hey human, everything's going to be okay. Hey human, remember to release any tension in your shoulders. That's a good one for me. Hey human, remember you're not alone. Comment below anything. You like the POK one. Okay, cool. Hey human, remember you're not alone. Comment below anything and support each other, will you? Hey human, remember not to compare yourself with others too much. Hey human, remember to define your own success. And a little bit later we have, okay, and this is officially an open source project right now. I mean, it only has a list of things this bot is going to say, but feel free to take a look and send a PR if you have any ideas. Well, let's take a look. Looks like we've got quite a few here. Remember to tell your heart that all is well. I like this one. Hey human, remember to blink just long enough. Excuse me. Hey human, remember to blink just enough to keep your eyes lubricated. Screens can be hypnotizing. Now, I've landed on this page for the open source bot. But what do I do next? I could go to the main page for it and look over the code. Oh, and there's a README. README is always a good place to start. Friendly reminder bot. A friendly reminder Twitter bot to keep you happy and healthy. Healthy and happy, excuse me. You know what? I wanted... Okay, yeah, we good. We're going to write a piece of code that takes a random line from reminders.txt, and this bot will tweet it at a random time interval between 1 to 7 hours. So it'll tweet every 4 hours on average, which gives us 6 tweets a day. Oh, a random time. So you can't. So you don't know going in whether it's going to be an hour or 2 hours or, so on. How to contribute. Reminders.txt, a list of reminders. Feel free to edit things here. Main.py, the main Python file. Right now it only prints a random line. We need to send this to Twitter instead. I'm going to focus in on feel free to edit things here, but I'm going to go another step in this open source repo, and let's look at issues. YK Dojo 2 days ago opened figure out a way to organize the reminders better. Let's open up this one. YK Dojo commented 2 days ago, as we have more and more reminders, it'd be nice to have a way to categorize them better so they're easier to contribute to. Should they be maybe in a JSON or YAML file, for example? It could look like health reminders, reminder 1, reminder 2, productivity reminders, reminder 1, reminder 2. Avon Electronics commented 6 hours ago, ID 1, quote, reminder 1, category health reminders, category 2, category 3. So that's a idea of a way to organize it. And YK Doja comments, even electronics. So other than that, I think the top items should be the categories, so it's easier for people to contribute. And I think I'm going to have a drink of water. You get what dojo means. How do you mean? Taken by storm, how do you mean? Oh, you get what? Yeah, I think it does make more sense. It's kind of there's always a trade-off, obviously, right? And one thing about Avum's suggestion is it allows there to be a single reminder in multiple categories, whereas this one, the only for any, a reminder can only belong to one category. I'm going to leave a comment here. I agree that it will be easier to contribute if the top items are categories. How easy would it be to retrieve the multi-category use? It seems messy. Well, it depends on how you want to retrieve it. And part of the question is, do you want the bot to like cycle through the categories and, tweet something from the health reminders first and then something from the productivity reminders? Or do you want it to only pick one at random from the whole list? Taken by Storm says, exactly. You could have it cycle through categories on a regular basis or cadence. That's more interesting. It's also more complicated to code because the bot has to remember state. If you're doing it randomly, you can just, every time it runs, it selects a new random value. But if it has to know what it did last time, that makes things more complicated. But that's interesting. Nothing wrong with aiming for excellence. I also think if it would help if the reminders file is as human readable as possible. For example, do we need the quotes? How about this? We've got reminder 1 and reminder 2. reminder 3 and reminder 4. Do they have quotes in the code in the reminders.txt? They have comments, commas, and some of them have periods. It just depends. I won't put periods in the examples. Let's preview this. I'm adding, having no quotes would complicate the logic slightly in, what's the name of the file? In main.py, but it would make reminders.txt more pleasing to look at and work with. And with this, I'm about to hit comment and make my first on-stream contribution to open source. It's an exciting moment. I think so. Well done. Thank you, taken by storm. Although I haven't done it yet. I guess I should hurry up and get to it. Now what? I think the next step is this is the part where it's going to get a little more technical because I'm actually going to get into the code. I'm going to fork the repo, creating a fork in my personal account. So now, what's a fork? A fork is another copy of the repository, but it lives under my account, so I can make whatever changes I want, and it doesn't hurt anything in the original version. That's what a fork is about. Then the next step is I'm going to take this code and I'm going to use SSH without explaining what SSH is, and bring up my terminal and git clone paste. Change directory into friendly reminder bot and open up VS Code here. It opened another window, but I'll bring it over in a second. Let's open up an integrated terminal. Let's see, reminders.txt. And I'm just going to try doing this in the way that I suggested in the issue. So I'm going to start by picking out the ones that are health reminders, and I think remember to drink water is a health reminder. Remember to stand up and stretch is a health reminder. Exercise from time to time, health reminder. I don't know what category everything... So maybe I can get some help from the chat here. What category makes sense for, hey human, everything's going to be okay? Is that motivational? Wellness or mental health? This is actually kind of tricky. This one, remember to tell your health that all is well. That's kind of like, that goes along with this one. You like relaxation reminders? These ones, I think, are like positivity reminders. Taken by Storm says, agreed. Time management is key. That's kind of a productivity reminder. Why don't you stop scrolling and finish that thing you need to do? But no worries if you want to take a rest. That's kind of a productivity reminder and a relaxation reminder wrapped up into one. But I'm okay with that. Cute, lol. I feel this one's kind of social. Hey human, remember. Hey human, remember to sleep early tonight, okay? You want to fix grammar? Well, that can be your contribution. I'm not going to mess with anyone's post. I think I'll put this under general health reminders. Remember to keep working towards your goals and not procrastinate too much. That's a productivity reminder. Hey human, remember to rest your eyes from time to time, okay? Maybe that's a relaxation reminder. Hey human, how about a little chat with a friend? I'll call that a social reminder. That one's fun. Hey human, are you being lazy on your couch right now? Okay, good. I'm going to call that a relaxation reminder. Hey human, you should go get a glass of water. It's free, don't worry. That's taken by storm says, yeah, I am. Oh, you're probably trying to say you're on your couch. Very good. Very, very good. Which one did I just cut? Hey human, you should go get a glass of water. It's free, don't worry. I kind of quibble with the notion that water is free, because, I mean, someone's paying the water bill. But it's still a good health reminder. Hey human, remember to have some family time, assuming you have a supportive family, of course. That's a social reminder. Hey human, is there anything else you think I should learn to say? Let me know. It's like a meta reminder. Totally had the same free water thought, says taken by storm. Yeah, right? Water is way too precious to be free. Hey human, remember to blink just enough to keep your eyes lubricated. Screens can be hypnotizing. I'm going to call that a health reminder. Hey human, pursue for excellence and success will chase you. Is that a productivity reminder? I'm going to say productivity. Remember to eat some fruits and stay healthy, okay? Call that a health reminder. Hey human, how about listening to your favorite song? I'm going to call that a relaxation reminder. Hey human, is the weather good today? If it is, let's go for a walk. If not, no worries. That reminds me of another one. Another relaxation reminder. I think I'll call it a relaxation reminder. Definitely speak up if anyone thinks I'm putting these in the wrong place. Hey human, guess what? It's time to take a break from your screen. If you want. See you in 5 minutes and have fun. Huh, that's a nice one. Break from your screen. I'm going to call that a health reminder, I guess. Hey human, remember to believe in yourself. I'll call that a wisdom reminder. No, I'll call that a positivity reminder. Hey human, remember to distribute your tasks today evenly so you don't stress on things and get them done on time. Grammar's a little funny there, but we'll call that a productivity reminder. Let's add this here. Hey human, if you feel stressed, it's okay to reach out to your loved ones. Call that a social reminder. Hey human, remember to be patient. Good things take time. I'll call that wisdom. Hey human, just remember, no excuses. Don't worry, you got this. Positivity. Hey human, whenever you feel like quitting, just remind yourself, why did you start? That's a motivational reminder. I don't think we have any of those yet. Well, it could be productivity. I'll put it in its own. Hey human, your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Call that wisdom. Hey, you would shoot for the moon, even if you will miss, you will land among the stars. Call that a motivational reminder. Okay, well, how does this look? We've got some health reminders, we've got some relaxation reminders, some positivity, productivity, motivational. Productivity and motivational are kind of similar, but they're not exactly the same. Not exactly. Look pretty balanced except motivational. Well, someone needs to come along and make a contribution in motivational, then it just leaves room for the next person to make a contribution. I'm not going to add any additional oh, I like this groove. So the next step is to interested in seeing API usage examples, try to IntelliCode API usage examples extension. I don't know what that is, but I'm not going to do that right now. So what we need to do is lines. We've got a new commenter showed up. Is this K? Productivity and motivational are very similar. Okay, I can see that. I think there's kind of a difference though. Well, let's look through them since you mentioned it. Productivity, time management is the key. Why don't you stop? What is the name and what does the open source do? The name of the project is Friendly Reminder Bot, and I don't totally understand your question. What does the open source do? But open source just means that the source code is open to the world. Like I can go on GitHub, and the code is the source code. Oh, there's a pull request template. I should probably use that when I make my pull request. What I need to do now is lines equal line for line in lines if line 0 equals dash. And let's see what else I need to do. We can line dot replace line. We'll do line from 1 to all. I'll make it 2 to all. I'll make it 1 to all. That way, if someone comes along and like says, "Hey, human, like this," their text is still gonna make it. What's the bot's main purpose? Is what you meant? Oh, okay. I can review that. Friendly reminder bot. A friendly reminder bot to keep you healthy and happy. Original idea came from Twitter. If I made a Twitter bot that tweets a reminder to stand up and stretch every hour, would you follow it? And this is YK, aka CS Dojo, came up with some initial ideas. It's basically like hydration bot on steroids. Yeah, very good. That's about the shape of it. So if I did this right, I don't want to think about formatters right now. Okay. Time to activate base python main.py. Hey, it works. If I wanted to get fancy, I could have it say like hashtag relaxation after each of the relaxation ones. But I want to keep my pull request focused and not try to do too many things at once. So now, time for some Git housekeeping. What am I going to call my branch? Let's see about some closed pull requests and see what people did in the past. Oh, there's not going to be anything in mind because, yeah. The title of my pull request is a short description of the requested changes. Reorganize reminders. Git checkout -b. Reorganize reminders. Git status. Git add main.py. Reminders.txt. Git commit. Reorganize reminders.txt. Git push-u origin. Reorganize reminders. Create a pull request by visiting such and such. Kay says, I wanted to make a Twitter bot like this before, but my developer request got declined and there's no way for me to fix it. Would you know why by any chance? No, I would not know that. I haven't gotten, if you, it's going to matter to this open source project that someone figures this out. Make the friendly reminder bot's Twitter account, number 18, YK Dojo self-assigned this 4 days ago. So hopefully they figure that out. But I don't know the answer to that. That's a good question. Fix this issue number. What number is this? Number 27. Nope, 27. Add a note to reviewers if screenshots shouldn't be necessary. Let's see the preview. Oh, did I just lose my... Be sure to review the code of conduct. As members of the community, we pledge that we treat each other with respect. As members of the community, we pledge that we help every other members in learning new things. That's nice. I can go with that. Okay, preview. Looks like I don't need this one. My code file is the code style of this project. There wasn't really a stated code style, so I'm just gonna say yes. The PR does not contain plagiarized content. That's true. I guess plagiarized. Kay says, listen, man, this is interesting, but I gotta go soon. Before I go, I want to tell you your content are amazing. I will always support you. I know you'll get big someday. Good vibes. Oh, thank you, Kay. That's great. Well, I'll be around if you ever want to stop by again. I plan to keep on making content. Oh, you gave me warm and fuzzies. Thanks, Kay. The title of my pull request is a short description of requested changes. Reorganize reminders.txt. Yep. I guess I'm going to create a pull request. This is exciting. Ah. Create pull request. Let's take a look at the files changed. Takes away all the lines as they were and puts them into health reminders, relaxation reminders. Okay. Now what? Well, I guess that might be it for the stream for tonight, because I said how to make an open source contribution, and I've made my contribution for now. So, yeah. Thank you. Taken by Storm says, nice job. Thanks for the stream. Thank you very much, Taken by Storm. Glad to have you around. It's nice to have viewers who speak up. I appreciate it, really. Yeah.